Dust on your Nikon D850 sensor can ruin otherwise perfect photos, but don't worry. Cleaning it is simpler than you think. We'll guide you through safely and effectively cleaning your DSLR sensor, ensuring your images stay pristine. Let's get started with the essential tools. Gather your supplies: a rocket blower, a dedicated sensor brush, and a wet cleaning kit containing specialized swabs and cleaning fluid. Make sure your battery is fully charged, as you'll need to lock up the mirror. First, power on your Nikon D850 and navigate to the setup menu. Scroll down to lock mirror up for cleaning and select it. Confirm your choice, and the mirror will lift, giving you access to the sensor. Now, take your rocket blower and get the sensor. Few firm puffs of air. Hold the camera at an angle so dust can escape. Never touch the sensor with your fingers or the blower nozzle. For stubborn dust that the blower couldn't dislodge, we'll move to the sensor brush. Gently brush across the sensor in one direction, lifting any attached particles. Again, avoid pressing down. If you still see dust spots after brushing, it's time for wet cleaning. Take one specialized swab from your kit and apply 1 or 2 drops of cleaning fluid to the tip. Do not oversaturate the swab. Starting from one side of the sensor, gently swipe the swab across the surface with even pressure. Use a clean side of the same swab for the next pass, overlapping slightly with the first. Then, flip the swab to the clean, dry side and make a single pass from the opposite direction to pick up any remaining moisture or debris. Allow the sensor to air dry for a moment before lowering the mirror. Power off your camera, and you're done. Check your images, and you should see a significant improvement. Regular sensor cleaning will keep your Nikon D850 performing at its best.